sponsor with Magic Land Vacations and Travel Planning Genius. And today we got a very special video for you. You know we love helping families like you save time, save stress, save hassle, and create extra magic on those Disney Universal vacations. Today it's about the Wizarding World of Harry Potter and how to use the wands. Now, obviously, the first step that you have to do before you go into the Wizarding World of Harry Potter to play with some interactive wands is you got to choose your wand. Now, everybody knows you can go see the full show at Ollivander's at both Hogsmeade and Diagon Alley. But today, I wanted to show you really quickly in a gift store just so you guys know what to look for. Most of the gift stores are going to have a really nice display of here that shows all the different wands that you can purchase. Now, some of these wands are interactive and some of these wands are not interactive, so let me show you over here. Any of the wands that have the gold or silver sticker on them, those are going to be the interactive wands. And Universal is really awesome at how they have everything set up. They have the non-interactive wands of the characters with the interactive wands of the characters side by side. Now down on the bottom, you can see that we have some silver stickers. These wands are actually from the Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them, not from the Harry Potter series. So the original Harry Potter series are the ones that actually have the the gold sticker on them. And this is the one that I will be using today. It is Albus Dumbledore's from the Fantastic Beasts. And every single wand box, when you purchase it, if you open it up, it's going to have the actual wand inside, right there. And then it's also going to have a map of both Hogsmeade and Diagon Alley. Diagon Alley to show you where all the locations are that you can use your wand with the interactive exhibits. So when you're in the store looking for your interactive wand, make sure that you have one with either the gold or the silver stickers, because those are going to be the wands that are actually interactive in the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. And of course, you can also purchase little stands for your wands as well if you want to have a little stand. Now, before I can do some wizarding magic in Diagon Alley, I got to do a really quick transformation. Here we go. All right, now I'm full on Gryffindor and I'm ready to show you all the wizarding magic in Diagon Alley. Now the first thing I need to show you is how to use the map in Diagon Alley. So you're gonna go to Diagon Alley right here and you're gonna unfold your map like so. And in looking at your map, you're gonna see that there are circles. These circles represent all the different points where there are interactive magic. Now, corresponding up here, all right, and down here where you see the circles, these are the actual spells, and it tells you exactly what position to use the spell in and what the spell is to say. So this map will help you find all the interactive places. Now there are a few secret ones which we will show you as well. So when you're in Diagon Alley, you're gonna look for these little markers right here. These little markers tell you that there is a spell. This tells you what the spell is, the Shindo, and it tells you exactly how to use your wand right here to cast the spell. And this arrow right here tells you which way to face to make sure you're pointing in the right direction. The Shindo. Sometimes it doesn't work. Oh, it did work. was gonna say, sometimes it doesn't work the first time, but there you go. And now we're free of apparently poo-poo. These wolves are very, very powerful, and you just don't know. Oh, sorry. You have to be very careful. You can't just willy-nilly like come into the Wizarding World of Harry Potter and just start flicking your. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. You have to be very careful with these ones. They're very powerful. Now I want to give a few tips on how to actually use these interactive wands in the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Tip number 1 is it's really not in the wrist, it's more in the actual arm movement. Tip number 2, the angle of the beams are really for smaller kids and children. So if you're an adult, you're actually going to aim more about shoulder or waist level as opposed to pointing up. Third, you want to make sure that you're actually pointing your wand towards the little red dots, kind of like the old-time Western machines where you had the targets you would shoot at. It's kind of like that. Those are the 3 best tips that I have for using your interactive wands in the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. So this is where you cast a secret spell that a lot of people don't know about, and it's right over here. Now, this is kind of near the ice cream shop, and a lot of people are asked, well, what is that? Some people say it's brownies, some people say it's chocolate ice cream. It's actually dragon poo-poo is what it is. Now, of course, Laura and I and all the other genies at Magic Land Vacations would absolutely love to grant your Disney and Universal destination vacation wishes. If you go to our website, you can actually check out all the destinations that we do right over here. You can also schedule a complimentary consultation with one of our amazing Disney and Universal travel planning experts. And Laura, why don't you tell them how can they sign up for one of our amazing giveaways?
If you join our VIP Facebook group, you can join there. You can also go to our website and click on the link to our 10 favorite hacks and tricks for Disney and Universal, and you can also go there.
Yes, absolutely. And don't forget, we have some more amazing Disney and Universal video content for you to watch as well. We have a video right here and a video right here. And make sure you check the links in the description where you can figure out where to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.